My name's Daniel Broad and I won the volunteer award for my category for learner, volunteer, and I also was lucky enough to win Volunteer of the Year award. The volunteering that I'd done was one with an agency called Add Action, which is a drugs counselling service, and I also volunteered at Bombing Psychiatric Hospital, helping the patients with some of the courses that they were doing. I was in hospital myself and decided, because I've been out of work for a very long time, so volunteering was a good route for me to, one, help build my confidence, and two, maybe get back into some more fuller time work. So that's why I chose to do volunteering. I think, and it was just a good thing to be doing, like to help me boost my confidence and get on in life, and obviously help other people. And I was just expecting a basic certificate really, but I was quite lucky and won some awards, so it really surprised me. But it was nice, it was lovely. It made me feel part of society, sort of thing, that I sort of been recognised for something that I was doing. I'm still continuing with my part-time college course, and now I've got a part-time job at Bombing Hospital because I was doing volunteer work for them. So I will always bear volunteering in mind, depending on how busy I am. If I've got if I had time that I wanted to fill, then I would. Volunteering is a useful thing to do. Yeah, you gain a lot of experience. It's invaluable experience if you could do with some.